Well, the work's done. I'm gonna take it out, see it in the light, and give you guys a little tour. So, see how this goes. We got it all hooked up. Oh, he's got lights now. Make sure he's not gonna hit over the side. Yep. Well, Roy, why don't you tell us about this thing then?
This is a 14-foot, 7x14 trailer that I bought from my buddy from the insurance company for $500. It was a tandem axle. The front axle was bent, so I took the front axle out and kind of made it a camper conversion, cargo trailer camper conversion.
See where the axle was there.
The shelf on there is for the air conditioner. That's what that's on there for. Then the diamond plate is where the power converter comes up, where Jack was talking about how I lined them up or didn't line them up.
That's
cut
pretty
the piece
cool.
and pull your cord out. It's hooked right to your converter. There's your power. Simple, easy, fun. Little magnet holds it in place. This is for the air conditioner. Set the air conditioner out there, plug it in, cover it up.
How much did you buy this thing for?
500.
$500.
So I messed around and I found some wreck campers that one of my buddies had, and from Boat Deal, and he gave me the couch, and I scrapped he was scrapping a camper, so I took some of the stuff out of it. I wanted to make it so I could carry my motorcycle in here and or a four-wheeler. Couch goes out into a bed for sleeping. Got your rubber mat, a couple boat cleats down there to tie down. The table folds down. So, little shelf. I spent a little over a month in this thing for Hurricane Ian. I laid it out on paper, tried to build it a bunch of different ways. I started with the bathroom because I want to have a nice bathroom in here. So, living room, dining room. It's got a fantastic, one of the vent covers up top. I was in Bryson City riding dirt bike on this. 32 degrees. This little electric heater heated the thing.
Wow.
No problem. That was not insulated or anything. Okay, we got the rubber mat here. The boat cleats for tie downs.
One over there too.
And then we've got the ski locker, the teak for a shelf up here.
Very cool.
So you got your microwave. I had my coffee pot up here, a little sink. I just ran everything out the back of the camper. There's no tank in it. There's just a hose you run into the campground, the septic thing there. I put an on-demand water tank heater in there for the shower. It's designed for the outside. I leave everything open when I'm in there.
Mm-hmm.
Here's the bathroom. I had to cut some stuff down.
Was this the hardest part?
Well, this is what I built everything around because I could put it on paper, it just didn't work. So the shower again is out of a camper. On-demand water tank. Then I've got the Thetford porta potty, which is 5.5 gallon capacity. Got your mirror over there, power converters underneath there. Your outlets are on this side of the wall and over here.
Very cool.
So we're going to put I've got a dome, so I'm going to put the dome in the roof for the shower, like a regular camper would be.
Uh-huh.
So, some vinyl flooring, nothing crazy.
Everything you need for a time.
I kind of wasted some space in the front, but I couldn't figure out how to lay it out, so it kind of worked out. Putting the water tank in there, the tankless water heater. It's still a little work in progress, just kind of having fun with it.
Man, that is wild. And you're about to take it on a trip right now.
We're going to go up to Maine, do some kayaking down to Conway.
And you'll fit the kayaks right in the back here?
Well, this time we're going to actually rent kayaks, a tandem axle, or tandem kayak. They don't charge much. They cart you back in like 5 miles.
But if you needed to, you set this thing up so that everything can fit in here.
Absolutely.
Whatever you'd need. You said this couch can fit back in this area, right?
So if I'm going to haul 2 or 3 motorcycles, what I do is like that couch is designed to come up into here. So then you're all open back there. And also this couch, if you're in here and you want to just change it up, this couch will fit going this way. Then you can put your TV over here and watch TV. It opens it up, gives you a little more room. If you're staying somewhere for an extended time. Now I've got a screen for the back of this as well.
That was that magnet screen you were looking at back there?
Correct. Yes, and here's the power converter right here. So I have 12 volt out of that. I don't have that hooked up at the time. I just have 110. And when Hurricane Ian was, when I was first down there for the first week, I ran a Predator generator, just a 2000 that powered my air conditioner and everything in here that I needed.
And where'd you say you got these windows out of?
They were out of a camper. So I took all everything, the surrounds, the shades. Again, nothing crazy. I sawzalled them out and just screwed them to the outside and made them work.
That's pretty wild. And you've got some future things that you want to do to this, right?
I would like to figure out a way to put some jacks out here. So what are we, like 6 feet? So if I could hold this, put some jacks underneath there, and then have some slide pieces out, and maybe make this a bedroom. So you get somewhere, have your mattress kind of secured in here, slide the walls out, maybe a canvas or a hard roof. So you take your 14 foot and you're going to get, like a 20-foot camper. Now this is small. It's only 7 by 14 and 6 foot tall, which is to here's 6 foot. So,
but most anything can haul this thing.
I think we should be right around probably 2,000, maybe a little bit over. Tow's great down the road.
That's great. That's awesome.
There's not much storage being this small, and there's not much height because there's not a lot of space for cabinetry. So my shelves go here. Again, if you've seen inside there's a little refrigerator there that's, I've got one there, then I have another one in the garage that goes in here as well. So I have 2 little refrigerators and then a cooler. And then eventually we'll have an awning out here. And then put your cook stove, make it mount out here, and we'll just have fun with it, play around with it.
That is awesome. Well, if I get some pictures, I'll put them in the video here of what it used to look like before the conversion here. But this thing is definitely awesome, really versatile and a lot of fun.
Simple, easy. You could put some bigger tires on it if you wanted, and put a rack up on the top for carrying kayaks or possibly a small rowboat, or get you out back in the woods. Whatever you want to do with it.
Well, thanks for sharing that with us, Roy. That's really cool.
You're welcome.
Very cool. And if you guys have anything that you've done like this, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it, because these things I think are so cool. Like and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. We've got a few videos on this one, as we just did packing the bearings and did the brakes on it. And so if you guys are interested in how that process went, you can see the videos for that. But anyway, thanks for tuning in.